The Apple Vision Pro can serve as a virtual monitor for your Mac device, and it's super easy to get going. But what if you have a PC? You might think you're out of luck, but with a couple quick steps, you can get your Vision Pro to connect to your PC. But even better, unlike Macs, you can have multiple virtual displays. That's right, when you create a virtual display with your Mac, you only get to see one monitor. If you like to rock multiple monitors like I do, you're out of luck. But with this trick to get your PC working with your Apple Vision Pro, you get to see both of your monitors. The good news is, it's pretty easy to get set up, though it is a few more steps than Mac virtual displays. The first thing you need to do is install NDI tools on your PC if you don't have them already, and I'll leave a link to those below in the description. The good news is it's free software, though you do have to fill out a registration screen. Once you have that installed, you'll need to do a couple more things to get the best experience. First, if you have a dedicated GPU, hover your mouse over Screen Capture and click on the gear. Then choose Screen Capture HX. That'll give you a nicer virtual display. If you don't have a GPU, leave it on Screen Capture. Either way, click on the Screen Capture icon to start streaming. But you're not done yet. Find the Screen Capture icon in the system tray at the lower right-hand corner of Windows. Right-click on that and turn on the Capture Mouse Cursor option. Without that, you can't see your mouse in the virtual display, so it's pretty important. You may also want to adjust the video bandwidth. Higher gets you better video, but also requires faster internet. Now, head to the Apple Vision Pro and download an app called Vixio, V-X-I-O. Good news, that one is free too. Once you have Vixio installed, just open it up. You're going to have to allow it to connect to your network, and it will search for sources. Now I have two monitors, so it's found two potential sources. Click on one, and here's your virtual display. You can move it wherever you want. If you want a second virtual display, click on that source name above, and click on Open Sources, and click the second one. If you don't close that source window, you won't have to go through those steps. This will always let you get to another one. There you go. Now you've got access to both your virtual monitors. You can adjust them as big and small as you want, a true native app, and you can even use your environment should you so desire. Now you'll notice that only one is ever fully in focus. That is not an issue with Vixio. That is the way Vision Pro apps work. You can only ever have one of these windows in focus. So that's a limitation that you'll have to work with for now. Maybe Apple will update that someday if they ever start supporting multiple displays for Mac. And just like that, you have multiple virtual displays for your PC, something you can't even do with the Mac right now, and it was pretty easy to get going. If you enjoyed this tutorial and you want to hear more about the Apple Vision Pro or other tech news and reviews, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye!